round town, round town, round town. We play the best tunes, all the right songs, right on round town radio. All your classics, touching the new, on sound original music. Add a little humor, add a little madness. Welcome to Round Town Radio. Yes, Pete just brought it to my attention that there's a Liverpool game on tonight, which I already knew about. And I also know that it's the final on Sunday. I'm a bit of an armchair supporter. I'm even worse than an armchair supporter, to be honest with you, nowadays. I never get out to watch it since the birth of the show. I ain't got time to go for a shit, let alone sit there for a couple of hours in a pub talking crap about things I don't know. But I will forgive you this week, guys, on Sunday if there's not a great deal of listeners. But it would be nice if you could catch up during the week on the podcast. So you get out of jail free card there. Right, guys, okay, where are we? Number 13 this week, guys. We have the Black Seasons with The Dream. They're down 8 this week. That did surprise me. That I thought they were going to push a little higher, these guys, because this is an absolute belter of a tune. Still, they're working bands. They're always working, so these things can slip by sometimes. They might give it another push next week and found themselves up the arse end of the chart. This is this week's number 13, guys. The Black Seasons, The Dream.
Do you fancy a weekend in Scotland? Historic, graceful lands, and a warm welcome? Well, do not go to Scotland, because all you will find is drunken wankers, rain and minus 25-degree winters. I have lived here the best part of 30 years, and every morning when I wake, I think about suicide. Magaluf, Spain, France, Ireland. Actually, fuck Ireland. But why on earth would you come here when you could go there? You stupid British bastards. Fuck off and let us perish in peace.
The papers won't fucking smoke. I call one fucking Scotland. They can't fucking tell you. You can go fucking anywhere.
Righty, and at number 12 this week, we have another brand new entry by the magnificent band that are Hurricane #1. This is called Think of the Sunshine. Very much reminds me of a bit of an Oasis tune, this, for all the right reasons. Have a go at this, guys. This week's number 12.
You and I were reaching the sunshine, with our heads away above the clouds. You take my hand and you were looking upon me. I hear the words but there's no reason to doubt. So come on and just think of the sunshine. So come on and just think of the sunshine. So come on and just think of the sunshine. I'll be there. There is a girl with a know-how, as she slips along the Park Avenue. And the only good thing about Mary is in the sunshine when she knows what to do. Now let me tell you something of Harry. He's a man who likes a bottle or more, but he doesn't know much about Mary. But he seems to think he's been there before. It seems to me that you smile and your love is free. It's got to be an illusion. So come on and just think of the sunshine. So come on and just think of the sunshine. So come on and just think of the sunshine. I'll be there. So come on and just think of the sunshine. So come on and just think of the sunshine. So come on and just think of the sunshine. I'll be there.
Hup, I am afraid minors cannot go onto the casino floor.
I'm not a minor, dumbass. You see a shovel in my hand?
Righty, and at number 11 this week, guys, bit of a downfall. It's gone down 9, is the Velcro Teddy Bears with Somebody. This is an absolute tune, guys. Again, another band I thought might have pushed a little bit further for the jackpot there, but I'm sure they will correct the error of their ways, should we say. Have a go with this, guys. The Velcro Teddy Bears. Somebody.
Somebody told me so. Those things I should have known. But when I've been untold, speaks volumes of what I should have known. Not easy to be to blame. Don't shout about your fame. Stature don't come with a claim. It's not the time to play those games. It's not the time to play those games. I want it to clear mistake on what is mine. It won't come down to what's on that dotted line. The facts of it all come with smiles and thinking true. What about you? Ooh, ooh. What about you? Why should I feel so low? Thinking a strangeness bespoke. Come to terms with being plain. It's not the time to play those games. It's not the time to play those games. I won't need to claim a stake on what is mine. It won't come down to what's on that dotted line. The facts of it all come with smiles and thinking true. What about you? Ooh, ooh. What about you? Ooh, mistake on what is mine. It won't come down to what's on that dotted line.